Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here is my mini vertical for the week of Monday, April 19th through to Sunday, April 25th. And I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to use this throughout the week. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is show you how I get this set up. Let's get started. So to get this set up, I first take it out of the discs because it's always easier, in my mind, to see things or be able to write things in it once it's off the disc. So I'm actually going to write dinners over here. And then start with Monday, which is a taco bubble up. It's not one word, but whatever. Casserole. Tuesday. What is Tuesday? Tuesday is sesame noodles with chicken. I love this recipe. It's so easy. And then Wednesday is the leftovers, bubble up casserole, TBUC. All right. Thursday is the sesame noodles with chicken. Friday is normally pizza night. Saturday, movie night. And then Sunday, we normally do nachos, but I'll leave that blank just so we'll see how we're doing. All right, so then Mondays, I'm going to be, what am I doing? I'm going to actually meal plan. And then I will also order groceries. And I think one of the things I also have to do is actually clean the kitchen, but that we'll see. And then I have a phone call with, I forget her name now. With Sabrina. And then Tuesday is normally when my husband does the floors, or I say that I like for him to do them on Tuesday, but he normally does them on the Wednesday. And then one of the things is I am hoping to get my Happy Planner squad delivery on that Tuesday because something is being released on the Tuesday. Wednesday is garbage day. Thursday, I don't know if there's anything that I need to do on the Thursday just yet. Friday is my day off from work, so I'm going to see if I can actually go to TNT. And see if I can go to Bountiful Market that day as well. Oh, hello, groceries. And groceries, I'm gonna actually white out TNT, or how do I, okay, no, let's pick up the groceries after, no, I have to close that night, so that's not gonna work. Karina. Okay, so yeah, there's a certain order that I want to do these in. I want to do regular groceries. Pick up groceries at, I'll have my husband picking them up at 9. And then Bountiful, and then TNT Supermarket. And then at 5:50 I have a massage. Saturday I am working, but my husband will take the kids to their activities. So Henry has a wall climbing, and then Robin has horseback riding. And those are the only things that we have so far that day. And then Sunday, our usual bathrooms, vacuuming and the windows. All right, so that is the week set up for now. Really liking it. I think if anything, there's other things that I want to add in here. I certainly have the room to do so. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Tuesday. Let me grab a pen to make sure I've got everything. Okay, so I did meal plan yesterday. I ordered groceries yesterday, and I also cleaned the cabinets and appliances in the kitchen, which I totally forgot. All right, and then today my husband is supposed to mop the floors, but then I forget that he likes to do them on Wednesday, and I got my squad box delivery. So excited. And I have to edit that actually, because on Friday I decided we're having taco salad for dinner. And we're going to move pizza to Sunday night, because by Sunday I'm exhausted. I'm writing Sunday instead of pizza. It's been that type of day. So pizza for Sunday night. All right, so is there anything else that I'm missing? I'm actually going to remove Bountiful Market and actually put a time there as well. Come on. So 2 o'clock, brown butter cafe. Really excited about that actually. And then my massage, and then that is it that I know of so far. And then today, Tuesday, I always say that my husband's gonna mop the floors on Tuesday, but then he's like, no honey, I'm gonna do them on the Wednesday. And then I got my Happy Planner delivery today and my Beachbody delivery. Ooh, if I can write. All right, and then I also moved the fact that I'm not going to go to Bountiful Market on Friday. I am actually going to go to Brown Butter Cafe instead and pick up my tiramisu buns order. Very excited for that. What else did I? Oh, one of the things I forgot to write is I did complete the pet industry. So it's like a small business here in Beaumont, so just south of Edmonton. Application for Lucy, and I completed their application, so hopefully maybe I can become, you know, one of their team and help, well, me, I say Lucy can be part of their team and help promote some of their products on from their website. All right, so that is it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is now Wednesday. So today I'm gonna actually do it like this so it's easier. It was garbage day. I've already checked that off, and then this morning Rob had an appointment at the sleep clinic. So that went well. Here we go. Oh, one of the things I want to write on here actually is that Henry had a nosebleed yesterday because as he was leaving, like he's getting ready to leave for the school bus on the way home, you know how 5 and 6-year-olds can be. He got hit by another kid, like I think by their backpack or something, so his nose started to bleed. And then I got a call from the school, but Henry, so cute, was absolutely calm, fine. He was a total champ. Oh, poor baby. Oh, one of the things I need to make sure that I do on the Saturday is fold laundry, because that is my Saturday night. Okay, so today, that is Wednesday. I will see you guys, if not tomorrow, then Friday. Hey guys, so it's now Friday. There are a few things that have had to be switched around here, like seriously. I'm going to pull out my caregiver here because there's a couple things I'm going to add. Okay. So one of the things that had to be done this morning is, I feel like there should be there's a couple of things that happened this morning, so just need to find a sticker for it. Meal prep, good care, no. I thought there was one that had like, anyway, but what I had to do this morning, I'm actually just gonna, is with my tweezers, is at 10 o'clock, and things are happening like totally out of order that's on here. So 10 o'clock, car to OK Tire, because we've got a bit of an oil leak. So that sucks. And then I'm going to be using this because my husband, how do I want to put this? So let's just do it like that. So 10:15, Rob got vaccine. So my husband got his COVID vaccine today as well, so that's great. And then I picked up the groceries, at 9, not 8. Wow. There we go. So check that off. But whether or not I can pick up my buns from Brown Butter Cafe, go to TNT and have a massage, are all dependent on when I get my car back. Yeah, I know. Sucks. But that's life for you. So that is Friday. Didn't really do much yesterday because I was working. So I didn't need a to-do list for yesterday, but that's okay. Yeah, picked up groceries. I just need to see if those things will go through. We'll find out tomorrow. Oh, one of the things I did want to add, actually, because this was important news, although that's totally the wrong sticker for it. Let's see. I need just a happy sticker, even if it's like just a check mark is fine. So I got a call. There were a few things I got today. So we got the pet industry delivery. So a lot happened, and it's only like 1:23. And then one more check mark for, actually I'm going to put a remember box there instead. And I'm going to white out where it says take note so that you don't see it underneath. But remember, because I had signed up Henry for wall climbing starting May 6th on Thursdays because the Saturdays were closed. But then I got a phone call from Vertically Inclined, and Henry will be starting on Saturdays. He was put on the wait list and somebody canceled, so he's going on Saturdays. So yay, Henry. At VIRG on Saturdays, starting May 1st. Oh, so glad, because if they were on Thursdays, it just would have messed up our whole schedule. But yeah, I really like how actually that looks, how all that is happening on Friday. All right, so crazy Friday. It's not even the weekend yet. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's now Sunday, just checking off a few things here. So Friday, my sister got my buns from Brown Butter Cafe and they were delicious, and I did go to TNT, but my massage was canceled, unfortunately. It's just what the day ended up turning out to be. And then Saturday, my husband took Henry to wall climbing, and he graduated from his first tadpoles class, and he'll be taking tadpoles again starting next Saturday, or this coming Saturday. And then Robin went to horseback riding. I folded laundry. It was just fine. And then for movie night, we watched the old version, or the original version of Mary Poppins, which I really like. I love Julie Andrews. Oh my god, I forgot her name for a sec. And then my husband and I watched Ocean's 11 after. So after the kids go to bed, my husband and I always have a movie night. And then today I did clean the bathrooms. My husband has vacuumed and has done the windows. And then what else are we doing today? Really nothing. It's just Sunday, cleaning day, filming day. All right. I really like how this turned out, and I think this layout is going to work really well for me. I never thought I would be the vertical type of planner, but I think I can get used to it. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.